Before we begin this video, please subscribe right now and click the notification bell to get news on Asante Kotoko. What's up guys, welcome back to the channel, welcome back to Daily Porcupine, the ultimate Kotoko fan channel. Now yesterday, training resumed and coach Maxwell Konadu talked to the press for the first time in more than 6 months at the training grounds, and he talks about the current state of the squad, and he also gave an update on the transfer of Justice Blay and also the contract situation with Latif Anabila, and we'll be talking about that today. As for the team, he said the team are a little bit rusty and they're going to take a lot of time to gel in together or to blend well or to get prepared for the upcoming season next month. And he also stated that the CEO is working very well to ensure that the right players are being brought to the club. About the current state of the team, this is what he said.
It was good. And so talk a friend, attendance, lateness kakraba mo. But then no, I started training na course you say place arrest and say pick it up slowly, but we need to work harder. Place arrest.
I bet take you guys say and no matter shape.
Oh, normally your call off just at least when you're 8 weeks I think everything should be okay.
To go from a net to down baby your program to say.
Okay, from a nano. The bay training until Saturday. Last Sunday, you move your heart for your training camp for the real pre-season for 3 weeks.
When Maxwell Konadu was asked about Justice Blay, he said that the CEO was struggling hard or was working and negotiating with the right people to make sure that the Justice Blay deal is done very soon so that he can join the club as they go a campaign in Koforidua. That's what the reports are stating, that Asante Kotoko will camp at Koforidua. So he is hoping that the signings and the transfer will be completed before they move or they leave for the camp. He also talked about Latif Anabila, and he said that the contract situation is being handled by the CEO, and this is what he said.
Anabila ne Justice Blay wants something to say. As a supporters,
Oh, CEO is doing his best. So, we need to have patience and wait to say negotiations, better to a year. Christopher Nete, the CEO, is doing everything he can to get the boy back to us.
Alright, a lot of players were involved in the training session, the first training session after the government brought back football. A lot of players, including our new signing, Mane Keke, Yusuf Mubarak, Osman Ibrahim, the one I love so much. I love Osman Ibrahim. If you know me, you know that I love Osman Ibrahim so much. Osman Ibrahim, other players, Maxwell Bako, Kwame Opoku, Williams Opoku Mensah, other players were all in the training grounds yesterday, and they played very well, and they met with the coaching staff, they talked, and they introduced the new players to the squad, and everybody blended and talked well, and it was a very great sight to see, according to people that were there at the training session at the Dakoja J training grounds. So I think that's all for today. If you haven't subscribed, you know what to do. Subscribe right now and click the notification bell. I will give you more updates in the coming videos, so you know what to do. Subscribe and click the notification bell. Till next time guys, goodbye.